Good morning. So I've lived in this house for several months now, over 5 months, actually around 7 months. And for this whole time, I have been living with very ugly curtain boxes because I always told myself that I am going to move out. But now I have decided to change it. This whole time, this my curtains have been hanging in a very ugly way, but because of that thing of always telling myself that I'm going to move soon, I didn't really change that. But finally I have thought about it, and I think it is the high time I change that, because wherever we are, we gotta make it home. So let me show you how they look, and of course I'll show you the change that comes in. So this is how the curtain boxes have always looked. These ugly things. I know this house is quite old, and for that reason I always say that I'm going to move to a more modern house. I always told myself that my modern house, the modern house that I'm going to move in, that I'm going to make my home, is going to have some nice curtain rods that are going to accommodate my curtains. But then I've come to think about it, I'm like, no, I'm not planning to move that soon. Yeah, because there are a few things I need to do, and then move on. I feel that I am ready to move. And for that reason I thought, okay, why not change into nice roads for my curtains and at least make this home look better. So please come along with me as we do this small remodeling of my house and see how the makeover is going to look. Right now I'm waiting for the fundi, that is the handyman who's going to do the job. And as I wait for him, I have a few things that I need to do. So stick with me as we wait to see the change. This is how my bedroom looks like at the moment. It doesn't have a wardrobe, but I bought this portable one, at least to see my clothes in order. Yeah, and this is the bed. So let's spread the bed and get ready for everything else that's coming for the day. Yeah, let's spread this bed.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood,
Hi.
one step at a time, yeah, that's how you make
So
it.
now I know I look like this big teddy bear with a lot of clothes on, and at the same time I'm using 2 blankets. I know, but it's getting quite cold, and I work at night, in the cold night, and now why not have some warmth, enough warmth for that reason? Yep. So let's go in with this. And I looked at this one and I was like, okay, you have too many colors. You're beautifully cute, like you're a cute blanket. But you know what? We need something else to cover you. Something that's in plain color. You can have so many colors. Yo. Here goes my beautiful baby. I know I'm usually obsessed about some things when it comes to things like, blankets, like just anything. When I get obsessed about anything, I tend to buy a lot of them. Like right now, I just bought 2 of them at the same time, and I'm still feeling like getting another one, despite having a lot of them right now. Yeah, I know. I easily obsess about things, and when I obsess about things, why not? Why not get them? Why not get them? Yo. Here. Straight. Really, really straight, you know? Because why not? Oh my god, my bed looks really pretty. Yeah, guys, who agrees with me that my bed looks like on point? Anyways, let me show you how my bed looks like. Because why not? So I'm still waiting for the fundi, like the handyman. He told me that he would be here in 30 minutes, and now it's already over 30 minutes and he's not yet here. So I'm still waiting for him. I hope that he's going to come soon, because I really want to be done with this. Like, I really want to be done with this and see the results of everything, you know. I've really missed having a house with really nice, well draped curtains, you know, and seeing my house look good. And now finally I'm a few minutes to that dream. So I'm super, super excited. I hope you guys are excited to see the results, because for me, oh, I am super, super excited. Oh, I'm folding a few clothes here because, of course, you don't want someone to come to your house, because, like, he's going to have access to almost every room in this house, because every room that needs a curtain box is going to have access to it. So, of course, you don't want someone to come and find your things all over, or even have access to some of your things. You know, some things are very private, and of course, you need to keep them private. So I'm just going to fold these clothes, keep them, and as I wait for him, he's already late and I'm getting a bit impatient, but yeah, let me just keep myself busy with this as he comes. And if I'm done and he's not yet here, I'll call him. Actually, I'm just going to call him right away once I finish folding these clothes, just to ask him, like, hey, where are you at? How long should I wait for you? You know, because I don't want to be here the whole day. I'm actually very sleepy, so I need to know when he's coming, if I should go back to sleep and wait, or if I should just wait for him to come. So, yep, as long as I'm keeping them together, as long as they're going to the same place. Yeah, just store my clothes. And actually, I'm supposed to do a bit of laundry because I got some gym attire and I am starting gym soon. Yay, I'm excited. I think I should wear this one. Oops, something just fell. This is how my closet looks like, or let me call it my portable wardrobe. This is it. I know it's not the neatest, but yo, I'm trying. I am trying. Yeah, so this is where I store clothes because, well, without a wardrobe is quite hectic. Yeah. And above there are my bags. And I'm going to have this until I move to a bigger house with a closet, God willing, but I'm not promising when I'm going to do that. I'm still waiting for this guy to come, and I'm so sleepy. That's why I'm lying on bed like this. I could just sleep any minute, but I need to know at what time he's coming because I need to be done with this. Oh, when I was about to call him, here he goes. He knocks at the door. So let's go see. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let me go see. I think he just knocked at the door, and I'll tell you what he says. Dakika moja. Yeah, so I just told him to wait for a minute, so I need to change into something more visitor friendly, you know. Yeah, so let's do this. I'm just going to throw this in. Yep, so let's do that. Yeah, so let me change everything else. I can still hear him knocking, but I need to get ready first. Then I can go open the door because you don't want to let someone in when you are not dressed. I'm trying to find something to wear. Yeah, I'm trying to find something to wear. That's what I'm really trying to do. And he's knocking at the door. I thought he's going to be late, but I'm the late one. Kidogo, dakika moja nikufungulie. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Go. Yes. I'm sorry, I'm just on this other side of the room getting dressed up because I really need to go and yeah, I just dressed up like this. Yeah, not so good, but I had to dress up like this because now I want to go meet up with my guy to do everything. So guys, let's go. Tu kiti hapo nje.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yeah. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you
We've
control
already
and
gotten started doing it, like removing those old logs of wood and about to do the curtain boxes. And for me now, I have removed the curtains and I'm about to wash them because why not? You know, I need to put the curtains, they're clean. Yep, let me show you the curtains.
So here are the curtains that I am going to use, and of course I have to wash them before putting them up there. I'm sorry because here, if you notice, I was talking but nothing, you couldn't hear anything. My microphone went off, but yeah, I was just trying to show you the curtains that I'm going to wash and use later. Just stay tuned and wait for it. Here we go. This is for the bedroom. I know there is no paint there, but it's okay. Yeah, so the bedroom one, there it is. So let's go and show you the other ones. Here we go. Yes, we are going to have some nice looking curtains now. Now the only problem is that this place is in a mess. It's too dirty. You can see that. The couch too. The floor is dirty. Yeah, I have to clear all these and also remove these old ugly looking boxes outside. Yep, but I'm super excited because now I have some curtain rods. What I'm going to do is that after I have put the curtains, I'm going to show you how the place looks, and for sure, what do you think? I think the place is going to look really good. Tell me, what do you think? The big reveal is about to come, so let's stick around and let's hang in there and let's wait to see. Look at that. At least now I can easily open my curtains like that and leave the shears on, have some daylight coming. Yeah, I'm just loving this space now. Tell me in the comment section what you think about this small remodeling. These are the results from the small remodeling that was done in this place. And to be honest, I'm liking the results. At least the place looks now homely. I just love this space here. I just love it. And I'll be doing more videos with that side because now I'm loving it. The only thing that's remaining is getting some decor for my wall. Yeah, and maybe some flowers, Look at that. I just love this space. You've now seen how the place looks like with the curtain rods, and what I'm going to do is show you a small transition from the old look to the new look. So are you excited to see? I tell you, it's quite the transformation. Wait for it.